Okay, so looks like I'm live. So the name of edit, working on my Java open source project plus study plus study of that first. Looks like I'm live. Let's change the title a bit. Save. Okay, so yeah, so what I'm trying to do is okay, so yeah, so this is the open source project, my open source project that I'm trying to work in. Right now I'm trying to implement how to read Excel files in here. So to read the Excel files, I'm using the JXL disk library. Let's see. So I have some reference code to work with. So file name, faster encoding. Okay. Get workbook, new file. Okay, so yes, I have to provide a new file and file name. How about that? Okay, great. Now I have the workbook, so it should be able to provide me so an Excel. Okay, so an Excel usually have an Excel have a couple of sheets, so multiple sheets of, it has multiple sheets, and each sheet have, each sheet has the rows and columns. So let's put, if what happens if an Excel has multiple sheets, so all the sheets should be we can put it inside a something like array list of string. Okay, so let's create an object for it. Okay, so what are our objects? So how about we do that? What about we, Excel manager, and how about we makes a new folder for objects. Okay, so the object should have a new file, and the file name should be excel.java. Okay, so that's a public class. So an Excel should have a couple of properties. Let's say it should have the, I don't know how many rows and columns there will be, but yeah, so it should have, an Excel can have multiple sheets. A sheet has rows and columns. Okay, so Excel has string. Let's say do I need string file name? Okay, so that's one thing. And yeah, and have a list of sheets, and sheets should be yeah. So let's create another public class Excel sheet. Okay, so how about that? Is it wrong? Yeah, it is wrong. Okay, so let's not go ahead and do that. So this is one thing, and let's create another file called Excel sheet.java. Okay, so the Excel sheet should have the string sheet name, and then array list of string. So this is rows. Okay, so this makes sense. Java util, do I need to implement? So quick fix util. Okay, so this should be public. Let's make them public. Public. Okay, so these are public. So these are sheets. A sheet should have its sheet name and multiple rows. Okay, so the first, I don't know, so let's put it here. So array list of Excel sheet. Okay, sheets. That's it. So this is our Excel class. So the Excel manager should be able to read the sort of workbook. So the file name is this. So how many sheets? So let's say int number of sheets. I still do not know. So workbook dot get sheets, get number of sheets. Okay, so get number of sheets for sys out number of sheets. How is it wrong? Okay, so number of sheets equals this. Let's run it. I should expect, let's say 1. Java 116. read buffer, unable to recognize OLE stream. How is it? Test sheet. So can I just so this is why actually I let's go to the my project. Okay, so the sheet I should be, let's go to the, let's open it up and file, save as, here, not XLS, maybe XLS. Okay, save that and I'll keep it running. XLS, can you read the sheet? 2. So I have 2 sheets. So yeah, so this is working. So I should be able to, so public void, so the Excel manager should provide the Excel, so the name of read Excel. Okay, so do what is number of sheets. Okay, so for int sheet equals 0, sheet is less than number of sheets, sheet is plus, so this is what so these are sheets. So I also need to have a, let's make an Excel object. So Excel equals new Excel. Okay, how about that? Great. Import Excel. So I have the Excel. Do we need to add the, yeah, so Excel helper functions. So object, and what I can do is sort of, I can so this is reading, writing, so Excel manager should be able to read and write. Yeah, so for all the Excel, for all the sheets, so I'm reading the number of sheets. For each sheet, what I want to do is I want to get all the rows. So what does the workbook, let's call it workbook, let's call it something else, and let's call that yeah, let's call it Excel. Okay, Excel, and this, call that E. Okay, so Excel, so what to do with the Excel? So Excel dot get sheets, so number of sheet, so get sheet, get sheet names. Okay, so the name of the sheets, get sheet and index, it will return you something called sheet. Okay, so let's sheet s equals, how about that? So I like to import sheet 2. So let's call it sheet idx. Okay, so sheet index, so this is the sheet, 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 imported underscore excel. So we will work with this one later. So I have the sheet, so let's print the name of the sheet. Okay, so how about, so sys out sheet dot get name, so the name of the sheet, let's print that out. I don't know, so the first one is sheet and the next one is sheet name. So I have the name of the sheet and yeah, so yeah, so let's write a constructor. Okay, so the constructor should have public excel, so the constructor should be able to put the file name, so whenever you are making the sheet, you are string file name. Okay, so this dot file name equals file name, and also the sheets equals new, sheets, so I can sort of make a lot of sheets. And yeah, so I don't want to, no, let's make that now. Okay, so when you're creating rows, so public excel sheet, you should be able to provide string sheet name, so this is same as this, or sheet name equals sheet name, and I do not have rows. Okay, so rows, I'll just equals now. Okay, cool. Now what we do is we have the sheet, so sheet is, I've got all the sheet, and the sheet should be and what to do with the sheet. Okay, so I have the sheet, so let's just have the number of sheets. I don't need this one, just this. New Excel, the name of file, no, okay, and I have the sheet, so sheet dot find cell, get column, get name, get number of images, get rows, get row int row. So this is a cell. So what's a cell? Get rows, number of rows, get setting, sheet setting, notify weight. Okay, so yeah, so so as I have the sheet, okay, so when you are creating, we should be array list of Excel sheet. Okay, how about that? New. Okay, and do we need to have rows? Okay, so yeah, we need to have new array list of string. Great. So this is the all of it is great. Now let's do another for int. So I don't know, I mean, I will process all the columns. So int column equals 0, column is less than sheet dot get columns. Okay, call plus makes sense. So also for int row equals 0, row is less than okay, so let's comment it out and let's get sheet dot cell get the row. Okay, I want to get the row, int row. So okay, so first I have the I have the rows. Okay, row 1 get row. So sheet dot get columns, get, do we have get row? Do we have get rows? Total number of rows in the sheet. Okay, so I do not want to, yeah, so get the total row. So yeah, so this should be row, all of it should be row. So row equals 0, row and row plus. Okay, so get row. Okay, row get column, get call sheet dot get columns. Okay, and call plus plus. Now I do have the cells, so sheet dot get get rows int. Okay, get row view, cell view. Okay, cell int row, so it has the whole cell. Yeah, I could have done it easier. I mean, I get rows, and get the cell. Yeah, so I actually do not need the columns. Get row. Okay, so row to cell row, so row equal, how about that, row id x. So what does this offer? Row dot length, so how many? Yeah, and yeah, so I actually don't need this. Okay, so I actually do not need that, so I have the row, so I just simply convert that to array list. Okay, so array list of string tmp equals. So let's just you know what, let's, okay, new array list of string. How is it wrong? I don't know. Why don't you freaking, okay? So for int I equals 0, I less than row dot length, I plus plus, just convert this row type to tmp dot add. I don't need so many things. Row I dot get content. So this, what happens if this string or get content? Okay, how about that? tmp to the string, and after that I have the and let's add Excel sheet. Oops. Excel sheet equals new Excel sheet, and the name of the sheet is sheet dot get name for and after that you add the Excel sheet dot rows dot add tmp. That's pretty much it, and after that you add the imported excel dot dot sheets. Do we have oops, so this is not public. Let's make it publicly available. I don't care about security. Sheets dot add Excel sheet. Great. So I have that. Okay. So the Excel manager should also be able to print public void print Excel. It text Excel Excel. Okay, so it should be for int sh equals 0, sh is less than excel dot sheets dot size sh plus plus. Okay, so that makes sense. So let's call it sysout excel name equals plus excel dot file name. Okay, file name. Okay, and sysout sheet name and I'd like to just sysout. Okay. Plus whoops, Excel sheet equals no. Okay, whoops. So Excel sheet equals Excel dot sheets dot get. Okay, and the index is sh. Okay, how about that? So I have one sheet.
Okay.
Yes, what's this one? Sheet dot sheet name. So the name of the sheet is here, and for int row equals int r equals 0. Okay, r is less than. Oh, okay, so we actually do not know the so a sheet should also have the length of the rows, so some of the properties. Okay, so sheet name rows public total rows public int total columns. Okay, int total rows. So let's not leave those uninitiated. Total columns equals total rows equals -1. Okay, let's just put it that way, or let's just make it 0. Okay, so that no errors occur. Okay, so r is less than. So do we? So let's. So when I'm creating this sheet, I should also be able to Excel sheet name. So Excel sheet dot total columns should be sheet dot get columns. Okay, and Excel sheet dot total rows should have sheet dot get rows. Great, so I have those properties. Okay, so r is less than so sheet dot total rows r plus plus. So r plus plus. Also yeah, for 17, let's move to C for columns. Okay, total columns C++, C++ in Java. So sysout, and let's put some gaps, and then